In this video, we're going to show you how to get a crystal clear windshield and make water bead and roll right off. Let's get to it. First, put your windshield wipers upright if you can. This allows you to clean underneath them and remove all of that gunk buildup that you see here. If you can't put them upright, make sure to lift them up while cleaning. Then the first step is to grab a bucket and put dish soap and water in it. You need something stronger than windshield cleaner or detailing spray to clean all the dirt, debris, and grime from the windshield. You want to use a microfiber wash mitt or towel, wring out the excess water, and go to work on the windshield. But remember, don't wash your windshield in the hot sun, otherwise the products will dry up before you're finished. We always tell people to use dish soap because it's something everyone has and it works great. It dissolves grease with ease, which is what you need to remove all the gunk and that dirty haze from your windshield. All the insect splatter, road grime, and other gunk can be a real pain to get off, so make sure you give your windshield a good scrub. And don't forget to give the edges of the windshield some extra attention. These are usually the dirtiest, especially where the windshield wipers come to a stop. But depending on what vehicle you have and how tall you are, it might not be so easy to reach the center of the windshield. To make things easier, you can use one of these microfiber mops, which basically is just a microfiber wash mitt on a telescopic handle. It works really well. We can easily reach every spot on our windshield now without having to stretch all the way across the windshield. Once you've done both sides, rinse it off with water and dry it off with a microfiber towel to remove any remaining gunk that might be left behind. It might look clear now, but there's still a lot of impurities stuck on the windshield that you can't see with the naked eye. If you want to verify this, you can take a Ziploc bag, put it over your hand, and wipe it across the windshield. If you can hear it make a scraping noise, it's because there's lots of contamination stuck on the glass. To remove it, you want to use a clay bar. Grab some fresh water with dish soap as a lubricant for your clay bar. Spray one half of the windshield with the dish soap. Then work in a crosshatch pattern going up and down and left and right so you pass every spot in multiple directions. Only do one half at a time. You don't want the soap to dry on the windshield. We like to divide each half of our windshield in 4 sections so we don't miss a spot. And if you feel the clay bar scratching or hooking onto something, work that spot a bit extra until it's gone. You want your clay bar to be able to slide across the surface without any resistance. As you can see, there's a lot of gunk stuck in the clay bar that didn't come off while washing. So even though it might look clean, it's definitely worth using a clay bar. Once one half of the windshield is done, rinse it off with water, dry it with a microfiber towel, and do the other side. Now when you use the Ziploc bag again, you won't hear any scraping noises anymore. Pro tip, check your windshield wipers and replace them if they are cracked or torn. If you don't know how, we have a separate video on how to replace your windshield wipers, which we'll link to in the description under the video. So make sure to check it out. If they're still good, don't forget to clean the rubber as well. Otherwise, you'll be smearing gunk back on your freshly cleaned windshield next time you use them. Just use some water and dish soap to give it a quick clean. You'd be surprised how much gunk comes off. Next, grab your favorite glass cleaner and spray it on your windshield. But instead of using a regular microfiber towel to work it in, this time you want to use a diamond weave microfiber towel because it's specifically designed to clean glass and does not leave lint. Once you start using this for glass, you'll never want anything else. It works amazing. Work the product in, and as you can see, it evaporates quickly. So usually you don't even need to use a separate towel to dry excess product off. And of course, do this for the other side as well. Now that your windshield is perfectly clean, you need to make sure water beads and rolls right off. This will increase visibility during rain and make your windshield stay clean a lot longer. To do so, you want to either use a rain repellent or you can use a ceramic spray. Both work wonders. We're going to show both by doing one side of the windshield with ceramic spray and one side with rain repellent. You can spray the products directly on your windshield or on your microfiber towel. It doesn't matter. However, make sure you use a dedicated microfiber towel for ceramic coatings like we do with a big X marked on it. That's because unless you wash it immediately after using it, the ceramic will make water bead on the microfiber towel and leave harder residue that could potentially scratch paint. Then work the product in, let it sit if necessary, and wipe the excess off with a clean microfiber towel. Rain repellent is very similar in application. The biggest difference is that you don't need a special microfiber towel like with the ceramic coating. With both products applied, let's take a look at the results. Before washing and treating the windshield, water did not bead, which made visibility terrible. But after washing and treating the windshield, you can see the water just roll off, leaving almost nothing behind. You might not even need windshield wipers anymore at this point. Although the rain repellent seems to repel rain slightly faster, both give a great result making water bead. And now you have a crystal clear windshield that will repel water. You can find all the products we used in the description under the video, so make sure to check them out. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.